Want a car engine that outlives the vehicle itself? Which engines have proven to last over 300,000 miles? Let's find out. When buying a car, one of the biggest concerns is reliability. Some engines break down after a few years, while others seem to last forever. But which ones stand the test of time? In this video, we'll count down 20 legendary car engines that have earned a reputation for durability. From bulletproof inline sixes to unstoppable V8s, these powerhouses have proven their reliability over millions of miles. If you love cars and want to avoid engine failures, make sure to watch till the end. You might be surprised by some of the names on this list. Comment below if your car has an engine that refuses to quit. Now let's dive into the most durable car engines ever made. 20 Toyota 22RRE. A true icon, this 2.4-liter inline-4 engine is known for its durability and simplicity. Found in Toyota pickups and 4Runners, it often surpasses 300,000 miles with ease. Regular maintenance keeps it running strong, making it a favorite among off-roaders and truck enthusiasts. By consistently checking fluids, replacing worn parts, and ensuring proper tire pressure, it performs reliably on even the toughest terrains. Its durability and rugged design inspire confidence, whether navigating rocky trails or hauling heavy loads. For those who value longevity and peak performance, regular upkeep is the key to preserving its power and ensuring it remains a trusted companion for every adventure. Enthusiasts praise its ability to withstand harsh conditions, proving that with care, 19 Ford 4.9-liter inline-6 300i6. Debuting in the late 1960s, this engine powered Ford trucks for decades. With a cast-iron block, it can easily exceed 300,000 miles with basic upkeep, proving its resilience and dependability. It's a workhorse for those needing reliability in tough conditions, whether on rugged trails, construction sites, or long hauls. Its robust engineering and straightforward maintenance make it a go-to choice for drivers who demand durability and performance. With consistent care, it continues to deliver unmatched strength, earning its reputation as a trusted partner for the most demanding tasks. 18. Mercedes-Benz OM617, a 3.0-liter 5-cylinder diesel. This engine is famous for hitting 600,000-plus miles without a rebuild. Found in older Mercedes models, it's also popular for running on alternative fuels like vegetable oil, showcasing its versatility and eco-friendly potential. Enthusiasts appreciate its ability to adapt to sustainable energy sources while maintaining strong performance. Its durable engineering and timeless design make it a favorite among those who value both innovation and reliability. Whether on traditional diesel or unconventional fuels, it continues to prove its worth as a dependable and forward-thinking engine. 17. Nissan SR20DE. This 2.0-liter inline 4-powered Nissan models like the Sentra and 240SX. It offers great aftermarket support, and with proper care it can exceed 200,000 miles with ease, making it a reliable choice for long-term use. Enthusiasts appreciate the wide availability of parts and upgrades, allowing for customization and enhanced performance. Its robust design and engineering ensure it remains a dependable workhorse, whether for daily commutes or demanding tasks. With regular maintenance and attention, it continues to deliver exceptional longevity and value, solidifying its reputation as a trusted and enduring engine. 16. Chevrolet Small Block 350 V8. Introduced in 1967, this powerhouse produced 350 horsepower and remains one of the most versatile American engines. It's still widely used in classic restorations, often running past 200,000 miles with basic maintenance, proving its enduring reliability and timeless appeal. Enthusiasts cherish its simplicity, durability, and ability to keep vintage vehicles on the road for decades. Its robust design and ease of repair make it a favorite among collectors and mechanics alike, ensuring its legacy lives on in beautifully restored classics. 15. Toyota 2JZGTE. The 3.0-liter inline-six turbo engine that powered the Toyota Supra is a legend. Built to handle extreme boosts, it frequently surpasses 300,000 miles and remains a top choice for tuners seeking unmatched performance and durability. Its robust construction and adaptability to high-power modifications make it a legend in the tuning community. Whether on the street or the track, it delivers relentless power and reliability, solidifying its status as an icon for enthusiasts pushing the limits of engineering. 14. Volvo B230. This 2.3-liter inline-four found in Volvo's 240 and 740 models is built to last. Many owners report 500,000-plus miles with routine maintenance, proving Volvo's reputation for durability and long-lasting performance. These engines are celebrated for their robust construction, reliability, and ability to withstand decades of use. Whether for daily driving or heavy-duty tasks, they continue to deliver exceptional value and dependability, earning the trust of drivers worldwide. Volvo's commitment to quality ensures these engines remain a benchmark for longevity in the automotive industry. 13. Mitsubishi 6G74 3.5-liter V6. Used in the Montero Sport, this engine has a 4.8 out of 5 reliability rating. The 2004 model even had 0 engine-related recalls, a rare achievement that highlights its exceptional engineering and reliability. This milestone underscores the meticulous design and rigorous testing behind its creation, earning it a reputation for trustworthiness. Owners praise its consistent performance and durability, making it a standout in its class. Such a flawless record is a testament to the commitment to quality and innovation that defines this iconic model. 12th Ford 3.5-liter EcoBoost. Introduced in 2007, this twin-turbo V6 powers Ford trucks and SUVs, frequently surpassing 200,000 miles. Impressively, the 2011 F-150 with this engine had 0 major engine recalls, showcasing its outstanding reliability and robust engineering. This impressive record reflects Ford's dedication to quality and precision in design, earning the trust of truck enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. Its dependable performance and durability have made it a favorite among those seeking a long-lasting, trouble-free vehicle. This achievement solidifies its reputation as a standout in the competitive truck market. 11. Mercedes-Benz M276 3.5-liter V6. Powering modern Mercedes models, this direct-injection V6 balances performance and longevity. The 2011 C-Class scored 4.7 out of 5 in reliability, making this engine a standout in luxury vehicles for its durability and consistent performance. Owners praise its smooth operation, low maintenance needs, and ability to deliver a refined driving experience. Its reputation for reliability has cemented its place as a top choice among luxury car enthusiasts. This engine continues to exemplify the perfect blend of sophistication and dependability. 10. Nissan VR 38DE. The Nissan VR 38DE engine replaced the legendary RB26 inline-six in the 2007 R35G TR. Known for its reliability and performance, this 3.8-liter V6 engine produces between 480 and 710 horsepower in stock form, with tuners easily pushing it past 1,000 horsepower. After 15 years, there have been 0 engine-related recalls from the NHTSA, making it a prime example of Nissan's engineering. 9. Acura C30. Debuting in the 1990 Acura NSX, the C30A engine became a symbol of 90s sports cars. This 3.0-liter V6 produced 272 horsepower and 210 pound-feet of torque, while an all-aluminum monocoque chassis kept the weight down. Known for its balance of performance and reliability, the NSX remains a classic today. 8. Toyota 1 MZFE introduced in 1993, the 3.0-liter 1 MZFE-V, 6-engine-powered popular models like the Camry and Avalon. It produces between 194 and 210 horsepower and is renowned for its reliability, often surpassing 200,000 miles with minimal issues. Its smooth operation and dependability have made it a favorite for daily drivers. 7. Nissan VQ35DE. Since 2001, the VQ35DE has powered iconic Nissan models such as the Pathfinder, 350Z, and G35. This 3.5-liter V6 engine delivers between 228 and 300 horsepower and is known for its durability and longevity, making it a favorite among car enthusiasts. Its robust design and smooth performance have earned it a reputation for reliability, whether in daily commutes or high-demand situations. With proper maintenance, it consistently surpasses 200,000 miles, proving its worth as a dependable powerhouse. Enthusiasts appreciate its balance of power, efficiency, and timeless engineering, solidifying its status as a standout in the automotive world. 6. Honda J35. The 3.5-liter J35 Vive 6 engine has powered numerous Honda models, including the Accord and Odyssey, since the early 2000s. Delivering 240 to 280 horsepower, it is known for its reliability, with many engines lasting over 200,000 miles with minimal maintenance. Its robust design and efficient performance make it a trusted choice for drivers seeking durability and power. Whether for daily use or demanding tasks, it consistently delivers exceptional longevity and dependability. This engine has earned its reputation as a workhorse that stands the test of time. 5. Toyota 2 GRFE. The 3.5-liter 2 GRFE engine powers models like the Camry and Lexus RX. With between 268 and 301 horsepower, it combines performance and efficiency. Known for its reliability and longevity, this engine is a favorite for long-term durability, often surpassing 300,000 miles with proper care. Its robust design and consistent performance make it a trusted choice for drivers who value dependability. Whether for daily commutes or heavy-duty tasks, it delivers unmatched endurance and efficiency. This engine has earned its reputation as a timeless workhorse in the automotive world. 4. Porsche M96. Debuting in the late 90s, the 3.6-liter M96 flat-six engine powered the Porsche 911 and Boxster. With 300 to 320 horsepower, this engine offers exhilarating performance and smooth operation. Despite early design issues, it remains a favorite among Porsche enthusiasts, often lasting over 200,000 miles with proper care and maintenance. Its iconic performance, distinctive sound, and timeless design continue to captivate drivers. Enthusiasts appreciate its potential for tuning and restoration, making it a cherished engine in the Porsche community. Its enduring legacy and ability to overcome challenges solidify its status as a classic powerhouse. 3. Toyota 1 UZFE, first introduced in 1989. The 1 UZFE is a legendary 4.0-liter V8 engine that powered the Lexus LS 400. Known for its smooth operation and longevity, it can last over 200,000 miles with regular maintenance. Its reliability and versatility have made it a favorite in luxury cars and beyond. 2. Chevy LS family. Since 1997, the LS engine family has been a favorite among car enthusiasts, featuring a range of V8 engines like the LS1, LS2, and LS3. These engines offer a combination of strength, performance, and reliability, often running well beyond 200,000 miles with proper care. 1. Ford Windsor 302. The legendary 5.0-liter Windsor 302 V8 has powered Mustangs and F-150s since 1968. With its iron block and pushrod design, it offers durability and longevity. Many Windsor 302 engines surpass 200,000 miles with regular maintenance, and some even exceed 300,000 miles, cementing their place in automotive history. These engines prove that with the right design and care, cars can last a lifetime. Which engine impressed you the most? Comment below, like, and subscribe for more legendary car content.